This video is for did whole and unwhole feature on ASTPP. So this is about ASTPP version 5. This is the dashboard of admin portal. From configurations, from settings, let me show you one thing. From products, we can have the option, means we can enable did reservation, and we can configure, we can set did reservation days. Suppose currently I have reservation did reservation is enabled from my side, and then the days I have configured 1 day. Okay, so now how this did whole and unwhole is working as per this settings. Suppose let me go to the did section. Okay, suppose in my system there are hundreds of did. Okay, and there will be one customer. Suppose there will be one customer account and he purchased some of those deeds. Okay, DID numbers. So once they purchase those DID numbers, for those DID numbers there will be some billing days. Okay, suppose the billing days will be 30 days. Okay, and in that case, suppose after 30 days the deed will terminate from his account. That means he, once the deed product will be terminated from his account, from that customer account, he cannot be used the DID number. But as per this hold and unhold feature, once that number is, that DID number is terminated from his account, it will go to the whole. That means I have, as per the configuration, I have set the reservation date for 1 days. So till 1 day, no one from the system, means any other customer also cannot purchase that deed. That deed will be on hold for the reservation days, whatever we have configured. For me now 1 day. So suppose this is the deed, this is one of the deed, and this is the customer account. Okay, suppose let me just for giving a example, let me release the customer account from here by myself. Okay, and we can assume that this deed billing days is completed, the deed product is terminated from his account. So once the deed product is terminated from his account, now what will going to happen, deed will going for on hold, and as per the days selection on reservation days, 1 day, till 1 day it will be on hold. Okay, and till 1 day, if the same customer will again purchase the deed, then he can be use the deed again. But if till 1 day that customer will not going to purchase the deed again, then after 1 day the deed will going to release, and the other customer from our system, they can purchase that deed and they can use that deed for making inbound calls. So this is how hold and unhold is going to work. If according to the reservation date, if the product will be terminated, it will be terminated from his account, then it will be on hold according to the reservation days. And then if as a customer, if he want to purchase again, then he can do it within the reservation days. And then if he do not want to purchase, if that customer do not want to purchase, then that deed product will automatically release, and other customer will going to, means other customer can see that deed, and they can purchase the deed accordingly for them. So now as admin, suppose the product is terminated, the deed is terminated from one customer, and as a admin, I feel that this deed I don't want this customer to use again. In that case, as an admin from here, I can click on hold and I can release that forcefully. Once I release forcefully, that deed will be available for other customers on our system, and they can, whoever the customer wants to purchase the deed, they can purchase the deed accordingly. Okay, so this is how the hold and unhold feature is going to work on ASTPV version 5. Okay, so let me show one thing, means let me show this deed reservation days once again. If I select here 10 days, okay, then in that case, once the DID number will be terminated, once the DID product will be terminated from a customer account, then it will be going to on hold for 10 days, and the customer account will have the option to purchase it again till 10 days. Okay, so if as a admin I can release, I want to release forcefully, I can do that in between that 10 days so that my other customer can purchase. And if till 10 days the customer will not repurchase the deed, then it will, after the 10 days, the deed will automatically going to release, that means unhold, and other customer can use. So this is the workaround here on ASTV version 5 for hold and unhold on a deed product.